ABB.
We're so very glad we have with us Sujit, our valued customer. Thank you, Sujit, for being here. So let me ask you, what did you think about the ABB launch event?
And regarding the products, I can see out of these products, there are some products which I'm handling, wiring devices. And I'm glad and happy that they are launched again this function. So they're in front of my consultants, our contractors and everyone.
The only constant in this is the brand's quality and offering the right product to the market.
It's really a glad moment to see us as an ABB employees and ABB team among such beloved team of customers and such a huge network of let's say clients who not only let's say are working us with as a partner, but they are ambassadors for ABB.
Electrical safety is core for our business, and we are continuing to innovate our product, our portfolio to support the increase of the energy demand.
It's the reliability, the trust, and the focus on the sustainability is the key, which is the need of the hour.
Reliability,
Sustainability.
innovation, trust.